You're right.
Okay. Hi, I'm Rob. This should be our thumbnail.
Oh, we're gonna start now, okay?
Yeah.
My facial expression. I'm gonna be a real distraction. Hello, and welcome to another vlog of Rally Race Guys.
I'm Rob.
This is Rob.
Yeah. Hi.
He turned up.
I did?
Yes, he did. Anyway, just on a side note, that was Rob. We thought we'd just introduce him, and we are going to crack on with taking the windows out of Pat today, taking the dash and fuel tank out, and
in 2.5 hours.
In all of 2.5 hours, which is going to be a challenge. Previously, we took the door cards off, which you didn't see on camera. But there's 5 bolts to get the window mechanism out, and Rob is being an air hostess right now, and it is fairly self-explanatory. Simple pry bar to get the winders off.
Yep.
Or the throws off.
Yep. It's such a loving process getting windows out of the car. You really got to show that love by yanking it out. There you go.
I just smashed myself in the face with that glass.
Nice.
Pry bar, 19 for a set. Pretty easy. Weight saving.
Ta-da!
It's going to be 4mm FIA approved Lexan glass. It's not going to be hardened, it's not going to be smoked, it's just going to be clear, because we don't need to spend any more money as we're trying to do it on a budget. And we're going to have a door card here made out of plastic, as I said previously. And the Lexan glass is going to have a slider, and we're going to have some fun at Mackey's.
Cool.
So let's go.
Oh, there we go. So, walk us through it. Is it clips or is it screws that are holding the majority of this in place?
Just screws.
Mostly screws.
Phillips screws and a load of them. We don't need gloves for this. In the long run, we're going to be replacing all these switches, redoing the wiring, or replacing some of the wiring and stuff like that. So we've made this panel, but we're going to get rid of this. So it's one complete flush panel. It switches out, it just pulls.
Ooh.
Simple as that.
Sweet corn. Sweet corn. We'll come back when there is a bit more done. And here we are. It's a bit better now. Bits are off. The main part of the dashboard is off. Obviously not the main grey structure, but main components are off, such as steering wheel, speedometer, buttons and the like. that's where we are at the moment. Extension bar. There you go, sir.
Unbolting random shit.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Looks dangerous as well. So it's kind of this bit there, all of that. There we are. Should all come out. Where are we going? Lefty Lucy. Doing it whilst holding the camera is not particularly easy. There we are. Oh, I know that was your head. Because on that side, it's loose and then there's something here stopping it. I think we're going to come back when the bonnet's off. And here we are. It is off. Now we can get to the bolts on the dashboard a bit easier. There's one.
As I suspected, they're under here. There's one there.
Mm-hmm.
And there's one there, I believe.
As always with a 10mm, it disappears. Like that.
We're gonna undo the heater matrix, which isn't an 8, it's a 6.
Basically, this
those two pipes
goes
here,
round and into there.
which goes into the no, it's a 7.
This one that loops round. So
It goes into the heater matrix and is currently leaking. So we just wanted to take a look and see what the matter is.
So is it nearly out now?
And it's nearly out.
Uh-huh. It is off with some strength. That took a bit of a yank, that did.
So, just to recap and close off this video, we've taken the dashboard out. We're working on taking the heater matrix out just because it's leaking, and we'll tidy some of the wiring up. We've taken the bonnet off so we can so it's ready for the engine swap, or for this engine to be rebuilt. And we've just disconnected this, as you've just seen, and it's still leaking.
Yep.
Yep. But for now, that's it. And Rob's got to go.
I do.
So the next one, episode 7, will be carrying on with getting the heater matrix out and tidying a bit some of the wiring up and starting to get this sound deadening out that's in here that we don't want, because it's extra weight and we just don't need it. We're keeping the heater matrix in. We're taking some of the wires out, but that's it for this video. If you can, pledge some money towards our Peugeot page, and like and subscribe, and follow us on social media in the links below, and see you next time. And thanks for Rob for filming.
Bye bye.